Very good morning, students. Welcome back to the EVS class. As you all know, we are continuing with page number 67 and the topic is the earth and the sky. Dear children, what we are going to go ahead and do today is first we are going to revise the chapter, solve the textual exercises and then move to the worksheet for the day. So shall we begin? Let's go ahead. Remember, reading is an important part for us. If you're not able to do it in your homes, which I can make out during the online class, we will be repetitively doing it in the online class along with the videos that we are going to be making. So I am beginning and let us all start. We live on the earth. It is round like an orange. It is not really an orange, it just looks like an orange. The earth is covered with land and water. There is more water than land. The earth is home to all plants, animals and people. On the land there are mountains, rivers, valleys, forests and plains. So I hope you had underlined mountains, rivers, valleys, forest and plains. Right? We move ahead. This is how the earth looks and we've discussed it at length in our previous classes. We're only going to do with the reading. So you're going to read along with Neha ma'am. The sky. So the first topic we are beginning with is the sky above our heads, wherever we look. Okay. Now, the sky is the open space above the earth. On a clear day, the sky is blue and the sun shines brightly. At night, we can see the moon and many stars twinkling in the sky. What is the meaning of the word twinkling? Is like shining in the sky. So if you have not written the meaning, write it here, shining, shining in the sky. Then let's see what happens next. Okay, then on some days, small clouds begin to gather in the sky. They look like cotton. Clouds cover the sun. Gather is come together. They move with the wind. It seems as if the sun is playing hide and seek with the clouds. What does it look like? That the sun is playing hide and seek with the clouds. Sometimes the sky looks dark gray in color. Okay. A morning sky looks like this, as you can see it, and a night sky looks little like this. Okay. Dark clouds bring rain. They hide the sun. There is lightning, right, and thunder, which we hear whenever it is getting stormy or it is about to rain. When the sun comes out after the rains, we can sometimes see a rainbow. And this was your activity. I hope you have gone ahead and done, especially with the ones who have not completed it, because then you will not get the internal marks. It is as simple as that. This is how the dark clouds look, and this is how the sky looks sometimes when the rainbow is out. The sun. The sun is a big hot ball of fire. When the sun rises, it is day. When the sun sets, it is night time. It gives us light and heat. It is very big. It looks small because it is very far away. All living things need the sun to live. So we have to remember that sun and is source of light for many of us, gives us energy. Many things are able to bloom in the sun, isn't it? So we have to remember all these things, my dear children. The moon and the stars. The moon and many stars shine in the sky. at night. Stars are really big, but they look very small again because they are very far. We cannot see them during the day when the sun is shining brightly. Okay, so we see the stars at night as I was mentioning it to you. Some important points to remember, then we go to the textual exercise. The earth is covered with land and water. The sky is the open space above us, as I mentioned. The sun gives us light and heat during the day. The moon and the stars shine at night. Okay, we move to the exercises. The earth is round like an orange, orange, orange. Write today's date here. It is going to be 22 to 21 is what you will write. The dash is the open space above the earth. We just read it is the sky. Dash clouds bring rain. Which are these? Dark clouds bring rains. The sun is a hot ball of fire. The moon shines at night. N-I-G-H-T. Please complete the exercise with Neha ma'am. I hope you are writing it alongside Neha ma'am using cursive writing. Practicing even in the 4-line copy is very important, my dear children, because your grip is now becoming stronger. So it is important that you complete this part. Okay, let's move down. Choose the correct answer. We live on A, the earth, the sun, the moon, the stars. It is the earth. On land there are mountains, valleys, forest, all of these. Of course, all of these. Clouds move with the sun, the wind, the sky, the moon. Clouds move with the wind. Okay, so the winds are responsible for moving the clouds a little. Now that is all we are going to do from the chapter in the textual form. We come to our worksheet for the day. This is first E, the earth and the sky, and write your roll numbers which you all know and your name in cursive writing. Let us begin. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct word from the box. Whenever this comes, always read the clue box first. Night, sky, earth, stars. The dash is the open space above us. We've just done it. Sky. The moon and the stars shine at night. N-I-G-H-T, night. Dash are really big but they look small. These are stars because they are far off. Capital S-T-A-R-S. The moon moves with around the earth. It moves around the earth. So example, if this is our planet Earth, the moon is the small orbiting body which moves around the earth. When you grow up, you're going to read more about it in the next class. Choose the correct option. A model of earth is known as valley or globe. It is globe. I will be showing it to you. Okay. When the sun sets, it is day or night. When the sun sets, it is night. The full moon is known as Purnima or Amavasya. Full moon is known as Purnima or Amavasya. Please make sure you're writing the correct answer for this. You can put a tick on your own as well. Okay. We now come to the next page. You choose and do it. Unscramble the word. First is moon. Then S-U-N. Here it was M-O-O-N. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. S-T-A-R-S. Stars. Write T for true and F for false. We live on the moon. False. Stars are very far from us. True. We can see moon during the day. False. We cannot. Draw in colors. So you will draw beautiful stars. You can make your type of stars as well, or the star that Neha ma'am has made. Make twinkling stars, and here you will draw the moon. You can draw different phases of the moon as well. You need to complete all of this, okay? And make sure that you have finished all of this. Please do put a mark here. The full moon is known as Purnima, so please keep all of these ready, especially the worksheets, and practice because it will be coming up in the coming concept test. I'll see you back in the next class. Till then, bye bye.